The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Monday in the 5th week of Lent. In our Gospel, coming from St. John chapter 8, verses 12 to 20, Jesus Christ said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in the dark. Truly, whenever we are with the Lord, everything seemingly light up. Our appearance, our aura, our happiness, our positive outlook in life, and the way we treat others, and the way we face our problems are always in the light. Everything seems very all right. Even if we are defeated, we are not bitter. Even if we fail, we look positive for another opportunity. Even if we lost, we are looking forward for a new chapter. And we believe that in the end, we shall win again. The light that comes from Jesus is all about having a positive outlook and a good disposition of the heart to accept whatever is given to us. We will always believe that there is goodness, there is lesson from good and not so good things that could happen in our life. Walking in the light of Christ is all about having the sense of direction. It's not about how long or how short the travel is, but it is all about being sure of reaching our goal and destination. My sisters and brothers, it's all about calibrating and changing our mindset and attuning it into the way of Jesus so that we can have the light that will give us hope, and we will never get tired no matter how difficult and no matter how many setbacks we shall experience. Walking in the light of Christ is having a positive and beautiful heart filled with hope. God bless you.